dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Example number 7, physics for scientists and engineers. Example 7. So let me write the given information. This is question about the resistance, temperature effect on resistance. Okay, the variation in electrical resistance with temperature can be used to make a precise temperature measurements. Platinum is a commonly used since it is relatively free from the corrosion effect. It has a high melting point. Okay, suppose at 20 degrees Celsius. So this is low temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius. T naught is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, and okay, now where the thermometer is 164 ohm. So the resistance at T naught is represented by R naught, that is equal to 164.2 ohm. So R naught is given. When placed with the particular solution, the resistance is, so the resistance RT at any temperature is 187.4 ohm. This is T temperature, T degree Celsius. So we have to find this T degree Celsius temperature. So the initial temperature at 20 degrees Celsius, the resistance is 164.2. At T degree Celsius, the resistance is 184.4. So we need to find the T. Okay, so in order to find this value, so we need to use the formula. As we know that in the previous lesson we already discussed this formula. R is equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha into T minus T naught. So this is the basic formula. Okay, we modify this formula for T. So in order to modify this equation, so R is equal to R naught plus alpha R naught into T minus T naught. We multiply R naught in the under the bracket, so that R naught, R minus R naught is equal to alpha R naught into T minus T naught. So we determine T, so alpha R naught T minus alpha R naught into T naught. So basically if we also can find by using basically here, so let me give 1 minute. Okay, R minus R naught divided by alpha R naught, which is equal to T minus T naught. So we can find T. So T is equal to T naught plus R minus R naught over alpha into R naught. So now we can put the values and we get the answer. So T naught, value of T naught here, this is the formula, required formula. So the T naught is 20 degrees Celsius, R is 184, R naught is 164, alpha is 3.9 10 power minus 3, and R naught is 164. So the value of alpha is from the table, that 3.927 into 10 to the power minus 3. This must be given at your exam. Okay, so when we put values and we get answer 56.0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now resistance thermometer have an advantage that they can be used to very high or low temperature where the gas and liquid thermometer would be used less. So these thermometers are useful when the liquid thermometer that we use in our daily life is not effective, is useless. So we use these thermometers, a metric instrument. More conveniently for some application is the thermometer, which consists of metal oxide or semiconductor, whose resistance also vary with repeatable wave temperature. We can also use other materials just like metals, oxides, and the semiconductors in order to find the resistance. Okay, thank you. I think so it will be done. Okay.